Welcome to a science lesson with Miss Knight. Today we will learn about volcanoes. Here are our science safety rules. 1. Always follow directions. 2. Use tools and materials properly. 3. Work as a team. 4. Be neat and clean up. We are all scientists and we must follow our science safety rules to stay safe. Let's free write. We can see what we already know about volcanoes. Now close your eyes. Picture a volcano in your head. You got it? Now open your eyes. Write down 3 words that you think of when you think volcano. You can even draw a picture to show it. Here's what I wrote. Lava, eruption, fire. And here's my picture. What is a volcano? To learn about volcanoes, we must first learn about the layers of the earth and find out what is happening at the core of the earth. Our key terms are crust, core, friction, magma, crater, cone, lava, ash, and bedrock. The earth has many layers under the surface. The ground we stand on is the crust. As you get closer and closer to the center of the earth, or the core, it gets hotter and hotter. There is pressure and heat building up in the core. Rub your hands together. Rub them faster and faster. Do you feel that heat? That is friction. Friction is causing the pressure and heat at the core, and it must release somewhere. Think of a pot on the stove with the lid on tight. As it gets hotter and hotter, the pressure is building. Soon, it would bubble over. A volcano is an area where the earth is letting out this same pressure. The outside shape of a volcano is a cone. Think of an upside-down ice cream cone. This cone is made up of bedrock and layers of ash. It looks like a mountain with no top. The depression in the top is the crater. Lava, ash, and rock will erupt from this crater when pressure builds up. The magma chamber holds the hot, molten magma that is churning, creating that pressure and friction. The pressure pushes the magma up through the crater in an eruption of lava. Magma becomes lava when it reaches the surface. Lava can either ooze out slowly in a thick layer, or it can shoot out hard in a burst of lava, ash, and rock. Professor Jinx has a good question. Are there volcanoes near me? Well, maybe. There are active volcanoes in every part of the world. There are about 1,500 active volcanoes right now. Most are in a region around the Pacific Ocean. If you look here on the map, you can kind of see a ring. They call this the Ring of Fire. Now's a good time for a writing prompt. Why do you think some volcanoes have lava ooze out slowly and some lava shoots out in a burst? Here's a clue. Think of our talk about pressure. I'll show you how I started my sentence. I think lava might erupt differently because blank. I can't wait to see what you write. Thank you for joining me in today's science lesson. You can also find lessons on identifying the parts of a volcano and on creating an eruption for your model. You can find the links on my YouTube page. Look below.